Get ready to experience a luxury lifestyle at a fantastic location in the lower south end of Charlotte, North Carolina. Now wait until you see the rooftop terraces that present beautiful city views. Welcome to Chambray at LoSo by Toll Brothers.
LoSo stands for Lower South End, which is a growing and vibrant part of Charlotte with unique indoor and outdoor dining options and trendy shops. Toll Brothers is building 82 townhomes. Each has 4 levels. There are 2 plans to choose from with your choice of 2 to 4 bedrooms and 3.5 to 4.5 bathrooms. Sizes run roughly from 1,600 to 2,100 square feet.
Check out these views. Each townhome comes with its own rooftop terrace. Now, can you see yourself up here relaxing or entertaining friends and family?
Ceilings are 9 feet high in main living levels, and kitchens feature 42-inch cabinets and plenty of counter space. Signature millwork offers a rich custom appearance. Pricing at Chambray at LoSo averages around $620,000.
Here's their onsite model. It's called the Dunbrook. Now it has 2 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a bonus room, and like all units, a rooftop terrace. Now this is an end unit and has top-tier finishes throughout, so the price is going to be closer to $700,000. An interior unit with fewer upgrades will save you around $25,000. So let's see what you get for your money. So what do you think of Chambray at LoSo? Please leave me a comment, and I'd appreciate it if you would like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next new construction tour. I'm always here to help you with your real estate needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.